OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z is a new neckband style in-ear wireless earphones by OnePlus. Here we have an unboxed Bullets Wireless Z and let's see what you get inside the box. The box slides open and you can see the earphones neatly packed inside. Keeping it aside, there is a smaller box with the user manual. Let's take a look at the Bullets Wireless Z. These earphones offers 10 hours worth of battery life in 10 minutes and supports fast charging. The earphones have magnetic controls that allows you to control music playback. In the smaller box, you will also find a charging cable and 2 sets of ear tips. And that's all you will find inside the box of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. Thanks for watching this video.